In this video, I'm going to show you how to search coordinates on Google Maps. So once you've opened up your Google Maps, there's one way to search coordinates if you have a location on the map, and then to search by coordinates up here in the search tab. So let's, for example, go over here somewhere inside Los Angeles, and I'm gonna just simply right click somewhere here, and wherever I click, as you can see, I get the coordinates. Now the very top line is showing coordinates, and if you want to copy them, you can simply click those coordinates when you right click it. So let's say I want to do it over here, right click, click on the coordinates, and as you can see, it says copy to clipboard. And if you would then like to search for coordinates on Google Maps, simply open up this search menu up here, and what you want to do is simply paste in those coordinates. And if I were to now press enter to search, as you can see, it takes me directly into the neighborhood of Los Angeles, and if I were to zoom out, as you can see, it's the exact location we marked earlier. And that's pretty much it. That's how you search for coordinates on Google Maps. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.